Just finished this 2004 sv650 engine. Just ran it a couple of times, thought I'd do a walk around. Got the M4 pipe, pretty standard here at Spears Enterprises, Spears Racing. So this is a Superbike built motor. Customer decided to upgrade, built this motor approximately 2 years ago, making north of 83. We should be seeing somewhere 87 to 90 on this one. Actually, it runs pretty good, sounds real good. We'll fire it off for everybody and you can hear it. Fire in the hole. This second fire off right here. So we've got pistons, we've got cams, degree cam, slipper clutch. A few of the other things that I like to do to these motors. Got an oversized radiator, pretty awesome. Does hold a lot more liquid. Trying to source these so we can start selling them to everybody else. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. I'm gonna do a chain and sprocket thing. That's why it's not hooked up. Shifter's not hooked up. But actually sounds pretty good. Still a pretty popular motorcycle to race in the United States.